have lots of colorful fruits. Let's count together and see which yummy fruits we can find. Let's start. 1 watermelon. 1 watermelon. 2 bananas. 1 2 bananas. 3 pears. 1 2 3 3 pears. 4 apples. 1 2 3 4 4 apples. 5 peaches. 1 2 3 4 5 peaches. 6 oranges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 oranges.
7 strawberries. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 strawberries.
8 cherries. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cherries. 9 plums. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plums. 10 lemons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 lemons.